Welcome to this video on consumer protection law. Today, we're going to explore what consumer protection law is, how it works, why it's so important, and the rights it guarantees. We'll also discuss job opportunities in this field, their national average salaries, and the key skills required for a successful career in consumer protection law. Let's dive right in. So, what is consumer protection law? At its core, consumer protection law consists of regulations designed to protect the rights of consumers. It ensures that businesses operate fairly, honestly, and responsibly in their dealings with customers. These laws exist to safeguard consumers from fraud, unfair practices, defective products, and misleading advertising. It covers a broad range of issues, from product safety and consumer privacy to the accuracy of financial transactions. Now, let's talk about how consumer protection law works. These laws are enforced by government agencies like the Federal Trade Commission in the United States or the Competition and Markets Authority in the UK. They have the authority to investigate consumer complaints, impose fines, and even take legal action against companies violating consumer protection regulations. In many countries, there are also industry-specific laws that protect consumers in areas like healthcare, finance, and telecommunications. For instance, financial regulations protect consumers from unfair lending practices, while product safety laws ensure that products sold on the market meet safety standards. Why is consumer protection law important? In today's world, where consumers engage with businesses daily, whether purchasing products, signing up for services, or engaging in online transactions, having laws that protect consumer rights is essential. Without these protections, consumers would be at the mercy of dishonest businesses. Consumer protection law helps balance the scales between powerful corporations and individual customers. It fosters trust in the market, encourages ethical business practices, and ensures that customers can confidently make informed decisions. Importantly, it also provides avenues for redress when things go wrong, allowing consumers to seek compensation if they've been wronged. Next, let's look at some examples of the rights guaranteed by consumer protection law. First, consumers have the right to safety. This means businesses must ensure that the products or services they provide do not pose a risk to customers' health and safety. For instance, if a toy manufacturer produces a product with harmful chemicals, that's a violation of this right. Another key right is the right to be informed. Businesses must be transparent about what they are selling, including disclosing important information like pricing, terms and conditions, and potential risks. Then there's the right to choose. This means consumers should have access to a variety of products and services at competitive prices without being subject to monopolies or unfair practices. Finally, there's the right to redress. This ensures that consumers can get refunds, replacements, or compensation if a product or service is faulty or doesn't meet expectations. Now, if you're interested in a career in consumer protection law, there are several job opportunities to consider. Let's explore some of the common roles and their national average salaries. First, we have consumer protection lawyers. These legal professionals represent consumers in cases where their rights have been violated, and they also work to ensure businesses comply with consumer protection regulations. The national average salary for a consumer protection lawyer is around $85,000 per year, although this can vary depending on experience and location. Another option is becoming a compliance officer. Compliance officers ensure that companies adhere to legal standards and internal policies, including consumer protection laws. They help businesses avoid legal issues by maintaining compliance with the laws. The average salary for a compliance officer is about $70,000 per year. You can also work as a consumer protection investigator. Investigators look into complaints made by consumers and examine whether businesses have violated any laws. They often work for government agencies and can play a crucial role in enforcing consumer protection. The average salary for this role is approximately $55,000 per year. Then, there are roles like consumer advocacy specialists. These professionals work for nonprofits or consumer rights organizations and help educate consumers about their rights. They also work on policy initiatives to strengthen consumer protection laws. The average salary for a consumer advocacy specialist is around $50,000 annually. In addition to the core roles, there are jobs like regulatory affairs specialists who focus on ensuring that products meet the necessary regulations before being released to the market, and policy analysts who analyze the effectiveness of consumer protection policies. These roles typically earn salaries ranging from $60,000 to $80,000 annually. To succeed in any of these careers, there are key skills you need to develop. First and foremost, a solid understanding of the law is crucial. Whether you're representing clients or enforcing regulations, a deep knowledge of consumer protection laws is essential. Analytical thinking is another vital skill. Professionals in this field often need to examine complex situations, interpret the law, and decide how to move forward. Strong communication skills are also important. Whether you're explaining legal issues to clients, writing reports, or negotiating with businesses, being able to communicate effectively is key. Problem-solving skills are crucial too. In many cases, you'll need to find creative solutions to help consumers resolve disputes with businesses. Lastly, attention to detail is a must. Whether reviewing contracts, drafting legal documents, or analyzing complaints, missing small details can lead to significant problems. As the global marketplace continues to grow and evolve, the field of consumer protection law becomes increasingly relevant. From the rise of online shopping to advancements in technology, new challenges are constantly emerging that require updated regulations and enforcement. Consumer protection will continue to play a vital role in maintaining fairness, transparency, and trust in the marketplace. That brings us to the end of our video. We've covered the basics of what consumer protection law is, how it works, why it's important, the rights it guarantees, job opportunities in the field, and the skills you need to succeed. Consumer protection law not only empowers individuals to protect their rights, but also creates a more just and fair market environment for everyone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on important legal topics. See you in the next one.